Hello Virgos, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is your love reading. So on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you are dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. And please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. These are general readings, so won't be resonating with each and every one of you. So just take what resonates and leave the rest. And you can also watch your ascendant and your moon sign if this reading doesn't resonate with you, and for the personal readings the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what is on your side, Virgos. What are your energies? So on your side we have the Five of Pentacles. Okay, so let's see what's on your person's side, Virgos. What's on your person's side? The Nine of Cups. Okay, the most likely outcome for this situation. टैरो कर रहे हो? Okay, so let's see what's the most likely outcome for this condition. What's the most likely outcome for this condition? So the most likely outcome is the Eight of Cups. Okay, so Virgos, you are feeling ignored and rejected by this person. You feel left out in the cold. You are feeling as if this person is not paying you that much of attention, or maybe they have rejected you, or maybe they are ignoring you. So you are feeling ignored by this person. Maybe they have turned down your offer. It can be that also. As far as your person is concerned, with the Nine of Cups, this person seems to be just the opposite of your energy. This person seems to be very confident, very happy. They have everything they need. They are totally emotionally satisfied. Maybe they are too either maybe they are selfish. They don't want to open up. They don't want to share their feelings, their abundances, whatever it is. Or maybe I really don't see them to be closed off as such. But then necessarily this person is happy with whatever they have. That's what I feel. They're closed off to perhaps opening up to anyone or letting anybody else enter into their abundances. So maybe they are not ready to share their happiness and abundances with anyone. Maybe that is what it is. I don't know. But this person is happy. That's for sure. They are very comfortable. They are very happy. They are emotionally satisfied. They really don't need much, perhaps. We'll see why this contrast of energy is there. The most likely outcome is the Eight of Cups. So definitely, as far as the scenario is concerned, it seems to be very logical that somebody has to turn their back and move out of this situation and quit this situation, choosing peace over whatever it is. Okay, so let's see, why is this Five of Pentacles on your side? What has happened, Virgos? Why is this Five of Pentacles on your side? Please clarify this Five of Cups, please. So for the Five of Cups, we have the Knight of Wands, the Wheel of Fortune, and the Temperance. Okay. Let's clarify. Take one more. Okay, we have the Devil there. So let's see, why is this Nine of Cups here? Why is this person so happy? What is this Nine of Cups for them? What is this Nine of Cups for Virgo's person, the person you are dealing with? So for the Nine of Cups, we have the Page of Swords, the Death and Rebirth, with the Seven of Wands, and the Magician. Okay. Okay. Let's clarify this Eight of Cups also. With the Eight of Cups, we have the Knight of Cups, the Four of Swords, and the Empress. So Virgos, what I feel here, you are feeling left out and ignored because there were, to start with, there was a lot of passion. Okay, there was a lot of passion in this relationship. There was everything you would ever wish for. Things were very, very passionate. The chemistry was good. Chemistry was huge. But then suddenly things started changing. And with the Wheel of Fortune, Temperance, and the Devil, so definitely it is definitely something major which is happening. It is a major change. And to me, what I feel is, with the Devil, some the things which have shown up have changed. Actually, following it, we have the Temperance. So what I feel here is that maybe the passion was getting too much, or maybe the expectations were getting too much. The things have changed because of there was lack of moderation, or there was not a balance. Okay, because of the lack of balance in this equation, that is why things have changed. Okay, maybe there was a lot of addiction or temptation to be with this person, or maybe there was obsession, some degree of obsession. There is something with the devil being there, and which is related to the passion. So the passion was getting on the negative side. That's what I feel. It was everything, the passion which was there was getting, either you were getting addicted to the person, or something related to the passion which was getting in excess. And now it needed to be addressed. Basically, if things would have moved in a balanced way, maybe things would have been okay. But because of excess of something related to the passion, things have changed because of the lack of moderation. And now, since things are not as they were before, you feel ignored and rejected. So to start with, there was a lot of passion, and slowly and steadily that passion, maybe this person was not ready to invest that much. So some passion has reduced with the passage of time, which is normal also. But perhaps it was getting too much, too overbearing for you or for the other person, that they couldn't give that much, and because of that things have changed and you are feeling ignored. As far as this person is concerned, what I feel, they have the clarity. They really don't want to see, this person has given up the struggle here. This person, though the path for them also is really painful, but what they realize is it's better to give up and leave the struggle, and they really want a new beginning in their life. That's what I feel. So this person is also undergoing a major change in their life, because they have understood that the process isn't easy for them. It's a painful process for them also, but then still they feel that being alone will be more happy than being with such a relationship. It's something like that. And this person doesn't want to deal with that resistance and that struggle, and they are looking for a new beginning for themselves. So definitely there is a major change here also on this person's side. For the Eight of Cups, we have the Knight of Cups, the Four of Swords, and the Empress. So what I feel here is that I think both of you will be parting ways, though you are open to love. But then you need to focus. You are open for new love. That's what I feel. Wanting a new beginning here with the Empress being there, and with the Four of Swords, it is whosoever is quitting. I think both of you are definitely parting ways here. But then definitely, though there is love, but then a lot of healing is required for the new beginning. Okay, that's what I feel. So maybe getting ready for new love, open for new love, focusing on your own self, focusing on your healing, and then moving towards a new beginning. There are a lot of major arcanas in this card, so in this reading, so I really feel that this is something